Hi YouTubers, Terry here. I wanted to share with you a little bit of this and that. This is going to be a this and that kind of video. My day was made the other day by Happy Mail from Muriel, MsCoopersCoop. I've been pretty blue lately, just because of, well, COVID, but my dad passed away on Easter, and so, you know, I'm doing okay, but, I mean, definitely blue, and there is nothing, well, I'm sure there's some things, but there's nothing for me that can brighten my day than an unexpected gift from somebody, whether that's even a gift of time or concern or love or crafty goodness. So thank you, Muriel. It came at a time that truly brightened my day. So this is just a envelope with color, just bright, cheerful, colorful. The whole theme of this Happy Mail was that. And inside was a beautiful flower, layered flower envelope. Oh, I took the card out. Darling shaker card. Now, I watch Muriel's, all her videos, and got to see when she did these, and she just makes it look so easy. And then you get one of them, and it's even prettier in person. So she's truly talented. I love this laminated envelope, and I'm going to get me some of these snaps. I've never gotten any of them, but I'm going to have to get some because they're pretty slick. Darling butterfly, little tag, and inside are just some of her layered goodies or paper clips that I will be able to use in my crafting and regifting, and I look forward to that. For now, they're going to sit on my little, I have a little display cabinet right behind me, and they're just going to sit there and make me happy for a while. This is a little folio thing, I don't even know what you call it, with layered embellishments in it that I'll be able to use for my card making and gift making and Happy Mail, and really pretty cloth. Everything is just so thought out, down to the very last little bit. So thank you, Muriel, for making my day. And I've had some things trickling in from AliExpress, and I don't remember if I showed the other stuff I got, but these are little rainbows. They kind of look kind of funny, but they really are cute. I got those for shaker cards, and then the school that I work at, the mascot is a bear, and again, these are so tiny you really can't see them, but I got these really cute little bears for my school-related shaker cards. And I like trying out different card making kits and different things, and so I tried out the Pink Main monthly kit, and this is the cardstocks, really nice array of cardstocks, and even this glitter cardstock that came with it. And I think this was June's. Nice zipper pouch. I wasn't expecting that, so that's nice, and everything fits so nice in there. I like keeping things together. So this has got the Darling Ocean Waves paper pads, 6x6, 24 sheets, and these are beautiful little well, I don't know what you call them. They're not sequins, but anyway. So this is all color coordinated. This is Thinking of You die. Love these. cute little postcard. You've been occupying my mind. They give you some envelopes. Darling stamp set. All of this was for right around $30, so I think that's a great deal. This darling little, I think this is maybe a welcome thing because I joined their monthly club. And here's the dies that go with the big words. That's going to be fun. I'm going to use that a lot, I know. Stencil, which kind of waves or underwater kind of thing. And okay, I showed you the stickers, yeah, or the stamps. And oh, here's more of the really cute little pin, and 2 American Crafts ribbon. It's glitter that matches the colors perfectly. And here actually is some more. That's all the Pink and Main stuff. Here's from AliExpress little bear paws. These are darling. I love these. I got those. And then I do a lot of gnome things. And these are darling little orange mushrooms. And I love those. So I was really happy with the things I ordered from AliExpress. Okay, let me just move this over a little bit. And I want to show you a few things, just a few things that I got at Dollar Tree. Okay, I got some of these. I already have some of them, I'm sure, but I wanted to keep them on hand. I made a mini album. And I use magnets, but I think that I would like to do this, or maybe the snaps like Muriel did on my envelopes. So I have a little 12 by 12 iris case that has just bear themed things. So I'm going to add this to them. Got some of the paper clips, pom-pom paper clips. I bought the paper from Photoplay, and I'm going to make some sort of, and I haven't really decided what, some sort of journal about the COVID things, and just something to look back on, and my kids and grandkids to look back on. And so since these were just all $1, and I think something like this might work, I thought I'd pick them up. I got the notes, and I didn't plan on getting a couple of these, but I did. And then here's another cover. It says 2020. I would cover it, make it my own. And then saw somebody show these, and I'm glad I found them. I usually don't find good washi tape at my Dollar Trees, but this nautical washi is just adorable. So I got a couple of those, and then I really liked this little tropical themed one, so I got one of those. Every once in a while I really enjoy a little graham cracker, but what I find happens is you open up the package that has, I don't know, 15 or 20, anyway, a lot in it. I feel like I have to eat the whole thing, and you know, that's just me, and totally not necessary. But I saw these little 2-packs, and there's 6 of them in there, and I thought that might be perfect for just satisfying a little bit of a sweet tooth. And I can just take one or just grab one, and so I thought I'd try that out. Someone else said that this is really good licorice, and I can attest, because the bag is empty, that it is good licorice. This is a repurchase. I really enjoyed these Werther's chewy caramels. There's quite a few in there. I just kind of set them over by where I watch TV at night and grab a couple when I want something sweet. I found some actual Parmesan cheese that was 2.5 ounce bottle. And I was all out of chili powder. Someone came over for a party at my house, and we had corn on the cob, and her son wanted some chili powder for sprinkle on his corn on the cob. And I didn't have any, so I restocked up on my deodorant and shave cream. That's a big bottle, 11 ounces, my goodness. And then the last thing that I have that I haven't already used or put away is, I saw someone that eats these. They showed in their videos, and I thought, I haven't had a little pop-up in years, so I thought I would get these. These are kind of tough times, and I try and find things that I guess make me feel better. So that is all I have. I'll come back and share. I've been making 4th of July cards, and I need to make some envelopes for them and decorate the inside a little bit. So I'll be back and share that. Hope you're having a good week. It's Wednesday, and I'm still working away. The kids' last day of school, online school, was yesterday, and so I have to work for another week, and but from home. So wrapping up the school year. So hope to be able to do some more crafting soon and be back and show you what I'm doing. Thanks for watching. Bye now.